Luis from South Coast England, back at it again with the cringy intros.
Okay.
Yeah. Alright, so we are currently stuck at home under pouring conditions, so we can't really go out and do anything, as you guys can probably hear. I'm not sure if you guys can hear. But yeah, I have some good stuff saved for you guys. This is a little video that I filmed like a few days back before all the rain started happening here in like the Ventura County area. Yeah, it's pretty crappy. I can't really go out and do anything. I don't want to get sick. Yeah. Regardless of that, here's this little video that I filmed. I think I was fishing for largemouth bass, for some giant largemouth bass. That's what I always go for. But yeah, I was going for some largemouth bass in this little water reserve that's near my house. While I was fishing for bass, I also managed to bust out, bam, a little small fly rod, kind of ice fishing rod that I have here. I mean, this thing is freaking bitchin', dude. It's sick. It has no back drag or anything. It's like super simple, but I mean, for me that day, I got it done. It was not easy, but I got it done with this thing. So I got this rod from the Wish app. I got the pole and the reel separately. So if you guys are looking to buy something like this, you guys can obviously go on the Wish app and look for it yourself. I have this paired up with some 6-pound braid and some 8-pound trilene leader. Yeah, so without further ado, here's that small little video I filmed. Hope you guys enjoy. And just like that, we look like idiots with the head mount, but we are live. So, first order of business, it looks like we're already losing weight, so we better move swiftly here. So, on the mini rod, we have a little octopus hook with a 10-pound leader and I believe is 6-pound braid as a main line. We got our bait. We got these cool scissors. Cut off a piece here like that. We have this gas station hot dog on the side here, and just like that we have oh yeah. No. Oh. Did you drop it? Oh my god. Oh, what the heck? Oh, he got off. Oh my god. Oh my god. What the? Is he off? Oh my god. He's gonna get off. Oh, keep tension. Oh my god. Oh my god. Look at the size of that bass. Oh. Look at the size of that bass on the fly rod, bro. On the freaking fly rod. Dude, look at, it was barely hooked. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh. I'm sorry, buddy. Let me get you. Let me get you going again. Oh, he wasn't going anywhere.
Nice little £1.50. Hell yeah, dude. Let's let you go. Yes. Let's go, dude. Dude, I didn't think I was gonna catch anything on this. What the heck? What the heck? Dude, yes. Yes. I'm not trying to be very loud, you guys, but I am freaking excited right now. Yes. You think we're gonna kill it on this? No way, I already got a fish on. Are you kidding? Okay, hold it, hold it, hold it. Let him eat it. Is he on? There he is. He's little. He's little. Oh, never mind. Never mind. Oh. Oh, is he off? Is he off? No, he's on there. He's on there. Oh no. Did I yank it out? Oh, he's in there good. There he is. There he is. There he is. Come on. Oh. Oh. Oh, come on, come on. Come on, come on, come on. Come here. Come here. Oh. Oh, there you go. Give me your mouth. Give me your mouth. Yes. Oh, yes. Yes. Dude, how the heck am I landing these guys? Another 1.5 pounder. Not huge, but goddamn, that's a quality fish. Hell yeah, dude, let's get it. Hell yeah, dude. I don't know how the heck I'm landing these guys. Look how much grass that guy brought in. Oh, this thing's definitely getting hit again. Oh. He's taking it. He's taking it. Let him take all of it. He's taking it. Oh my god. Dude, I think this is big. I think this is big. 1, 2, 3, he's on. Oh my god. Yeah, this is big, dude. This is big. This is big. Oh my god. Get him out of there. Oh shoot. Oh, dude, that's big. Oh shoot. Oh shoot. Oh. Come on. Oh, dude, that's a big one. Oh. Come here. Come here. Oh, come here. Good freaking boy. Good freaking boy. Dude, look at that. That's a nice one, dude. Yes. That's what I'm freaking talking about. I might need a pliers for this one. Oh, yeah. Dude. Check this out. Dude. Fatty. Freaking fatty. Oh my god. Look at this guy going to snap. Rod, bro. Lay down, bud. Damn. Yo. Dude, let's freaking go. Alright. This thing is putting in work right now. Ridiculous. Oh my god. Oh, this one's gonna hit. Hopefully he doesn't drop it. Yeah, he's taking it. He's gone with it. He's gone. Oh yeah, that's a big one. Dude, there's giants in here right now. Oh, what the freak? Yo, oh my god, don't get off. Oh, ow, oh my god, if I lose this fish, I'll be so sad. Please stay on, please stay on. Oh, come on, please. Get over here. Keep tension on it. What? Is he even big? Come here. Oh yeah, he's pretty good. He's just a feisty one. Oh my, dude, this guy almost broke my freaking hand. Jesus. Dude, that's a heavy one. He looks like a 2-pounder right here. Oh my god. Later on, bud. Yes. Oh my god. Dude, my freaking fingers hurt from that one. Oop. Something's picking at it. Yep, there he is. Ran with it. He's running with it. Skirt! Here's a smaller one. Whoa. He got some fight though. Come on. Oh my god, both of my rods are getting hit right now. Oh, get in here. That has to be a bigger one. Oh my god. Oh, dude. Oh my god, what the heck? Yo. What the? Oh, he got off. Dang it. Oh, dude, what the heck? Oh, man. Oh, he broke me off. Yo, looks like that's the end of the fly rod, bro. Oh, hell yeah, dude. We got both rods. I had both rods taken. I had my freaking $100 rod almost taken out of my hands. That was a freaking mess. Oh my god. Dude. What the...